Magla-red carpet.
Dali lang, just stay. And then, okay, just a minute. No, you will not stand up, Mami O, because it's dangerous. Alright, Mami O, I will leave you for a while, ah. Smile.
People are taking your photos.
Here, boss.
Smile.
Here, boss.
Very, very nice, Mami O. Oh, in character. Mami O. Hallelujah. Talagang in character, Mami O, ah.
Everyone's happy to see you, Mommy.
Smile lang, Mami O. Happy, happy.
Super thank you sa effort.
Happy.
God knows what's in my heart.
Ano, Mili? Just tell me, Mili, if I can get it.
It's the most I can do.
Okay, I wish.
And my job at makisama.
Pwede na po. Pwede na. Alright. Thank you po. Thank you.
Salamat.
Stand up.
May sabay na pa at the same time?
Wow! Playtime family, please say hello to the visionaries behind the four boys. Please say hi.
First time ko makasama.
Talaga? Dali.
Hello, please.
Ano mo doon?
Jerry from
Can you have a photo for here?
Black?
Ano dapat ang dito kapag Victoria ka ng Victoria? Thank you for having us here.
Wow! Wow!
Okay, guys.
From 901 Studios with my partner John Galvez and one of our producers, Harry. I know. Please support our upcoming movie. Upcoming movie from on Amazon Prime, Marvel's After School. Also, aside from that, please watch the movie Two Valid IDs on Cinemalaya. Thanks everyone. Thanks Dennis for having me. Marvel's After School.
Please watch Barber's After School on Amazon Prime. It's coming soon.
Okay, sila lang muna. Noel!
There's food here, drinks. Yeah. Dahil ano, ikaw na bahala.
Hi! Hi! Congratulations!
Mama, hindi na. Yes na.
You know.
Anak ko talaga. Ito muna, B. Oh my God! Oh my God! I saw a with my brother. I was raised he's gonna present this. Ah, okay.
Hindi ko lang maiwan.
I'll give it to yours. Can you take us also? Thank you. You want front and back? Oh yeah. We're both back. You know. Yes, yeah.
One.
There's another back one also.
Ay, back? Sorry. One. One.
Yeah, just him. And then also no. Hello, bud. Yeah, sure.
Nice. Gold.
Hi,
Gold
Maris.
niya.
Pwede magpa-picture, publisher namin sa baba. One, two, three. Thank you. Congrats in advance.
Hello.
Hi.
Liza, Goldie. Hello. Estelle. Hello. Earl. Hello. Hi.
Yeah. Okay.
To be honest, ang nililook forward ko tonight ay ang mga winning moments ng mga tao. It's always beautiful to see their reactions, their speeches, and then alam kong uuwi ako tonight na feeling inspired.
Excited din ako. First time ko mag-attend ng Eddies. Nabigyan pa tayo ng karangalan. Kaya I'm looking forward to tonight. Kung ano yung mangyayari, enjoy ko lang talaga.
Well, meeting ang hirap sabihin ng old friends, you know. Well, mga kaibigan sa industriya na matagal mo na din nakikita kasi minsan kasi yung mga ganitong occasion mo lang sila nakikita ulit eh. So, ayun, friends na hindi kayo at least magtatrabaho kung mag-gather lang to celebrate each other.
Yung magkakilala kayo.
Oral na. 100 years.
Nice to finally meet you.
The Eddies.
One question what are you looking forward to today? One cap. Therese, what are you looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward to kung sino yung mananalo sa best film, best director, tsaka best actor. Curious talaga ako kung sino.
Dito na lang tayo.
Therese, congrats.
Bernal, yung pelikula. Biopic.
Siyempre, dito rin ako si Present Something because immediately partnered with Speaks Society masaya lang i-celebrate yun. Kumbaga, joint project namin para sa community, para sa industry.
Oo, in-announce lang mo na you're also planning, you're also planning to hold an awards night. May ganun.
Indoors.
In the world. So ano to, parang is this parang
Mga actors daw ang
katulad
boboto
doon
sa
ng Screen
kapwa.
Actors Guild, no?
The idea is
Hello.
Nakahabol siya, nakahabol.
Hi, Monica. Hi. Bibilis ako. Hindi naman.
Secretary Urban Santiago of Empire Bandera.
Secretary Ron Romulo of People's Bank.
Treasurer Don Don Cernino of Abante, TNT, and DW. Ito publicist ko rin ito eh. June Lalin of Abante.
Sunshine to thought-provoking dramas like I'm Perfect, documentaries such as Eraserhead's Compo on the Run, comedies like Bar Boys After School, and stories that speak to the hopes, struggles, and realities of our times, as seen in Journeyman and Unmarried. This year's nominees remind us of the extraordinary talent, creativity, and courage of Filipino storytellers. These films deserve not only our applause, but also our support.
Lucas Andalio, Call Me Mother.
Parang di ako makapaniwala.
Pero, bakit tayo lang po ang tao? Saka, paano niyo po ako nagdala dito? Wala naman ako passport.
Passport?
Will Ashley, Bar Boys After School.
Nahihiraan sir. Yung ibang service workers na nagtatrabaho, na nagko-commute ng 2 oras kagaya ko, yung hihilata na lang tapos matutulog. Ako hindi sir. Ako magtitipla pa lang ako ng kape ko kasi nagsisimula pa lang yung araw ko tapos magbabalik pa ako.
Tito Blanco, Manila's Finest.
Gusto natin ng bago. Alam nila. Wala kang manggaling na tayo. Pagbabago.
Richard Wong, How to Get Away from My Toxic
isang pusong wala siyang inumbos sa business. Okay, I even paid for her business and marketing classes just so she would learn how this business works. Okay, so to propose that she should get an equal share in the business or even any of her properties, that's unfair. That's not fair.
Zach Cebu, unmarried.
Trying to play with the child's emotions.
Order in the court.
Oh no, Ate. I'm sorry. I just don't get what they're saying. My parents are okay. I don't know. I don't love or hate anyone more than the other. Right now, I hate them both equally for being here.
Ellie's choice is envelope, please.
It's a tie.
Rico Blanco, Manila's finest.
Unang-una po, congratulations din po. Congratulations po sa atin. At gusto ko lang po pasalamatan yung lahat po ng bumubuo ng Eddies. Maraming salamat po sa parangal po na ito. At salamat din po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Bar Boys After School. Siyempre kay Direk Keith sa 901 Studios, kay Direk Carlo, Direk Zig, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko. Thank you so much. And of course, to my fellow nominees, congratulations din po sa inyo. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagmamahal at sumusuporta din sa akin. And to my GMA family, thank you so much po. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino.
I want to share this award with everyone behind Manila's Finest. From the producers to the creative team led by Raymond Red. Sila po tumaya sa akin, hindi ko po alam kung anong iniisip nila, pero salamat po at gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung aking fellow actors because they were also supportive and welcoming doon sa aming shoot. And lastly, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang aking mga best friends sa press, ang Speed, matagal-tagal na po pinagsamahan natin. It's my first time to even be nominated in this industry, in the film industry, so this means a lot to me. Bago lang po ako dito, and yet, na-nominate pa lang masaya na po ako, nanalo pa po. Maraming salamat po.
Ang susunod na award po natin,
Best Supporting Actress, Susan Africa, How to Get Away from My Toxic Family.
Bakit parang ang itim ng case natin, di ba? Pinapinturahan na natin, eh?
Ay, matagal na yun. Baka medyo nalumalong yung konti.
Madumi lang siguro, maraming agad. Palinis na lang, no? Wala nga nang bumili siya, hindi ba?
Pumutok yan ng isang linggo yata. O mali, bili na lang tayo.
Dito ka parang.
Dito so, nakakaya ba yung sahig?
Eugene Domingo. Unmarried.
Sa paggawa ng petition for annulment, kailangan
Odette Caro.
Maybe the point of life is not to win or lose, but to experience life.
Rochelle Pangilinan. Child number 82. Sylvia Samuel.
Masaya si nanay para sa'yo. Masaya sila po. Tandaan mo to ha, lagi na ako nandito at ang tatay mo. Alam ko, kaya mo. Kaya yung dalawa ng Gio, ha? Yes, I can.
Eddie's choice is
Rochelle Pangilinan.
The ninth Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actress receives a special cash prize from Playtime Entertainment. Presented by Miss Alexandra Krishna Orino, Miss Playtime Universe 2026. Eddie's
Nanginig ako. Ang bibigat po ng kalaban ko. Ang lalaki ng mga kalaban ko, napakagaling. But congratulations po sa lahat sa amin, sa lahat ng nominees, and sa lahat ng... ayun na naman, nanginginig na naman ako. Bumoto sa akin po para manalo ng Best Supporting Actress. Ibang klase. Bilang mananayaw, naging actress, may Best Supporting Actress dahil sa Child number 82. Maraming salamat po sa naging pamilya ko na sa Child number 82 sa pagbibigay sa akin lagi ng parangal na laging masungkit ang Best Supporting Actress. Dream come true sa akin. In His perfect timing talagang dumarating ang blessing. Talagang wag mo lang papalagpasin ang opportunities na nag-o-open sa iyo at naghahain sa iyo ng yun ako makahinga, ang bigat yata. Wag mo lang lagi papalagpasin ang opportunities na binibigay sa iyo. Lahat ng eksena, lagi mo lang gagalingan. Huwag kang uuwi ng bahay na may pinalagpas kang eksena na wala kang pagsisisihan. Maraming salamat po sa nagbigay sa akin. Thank you.
journalism and cinema
but also initiatives that extend beyond the spotlight.
And as Speed enters a new chapter, guided by its year's theme, taking care of our own.
Heartening to witness organizations coming together, united by a shared belief that beyond our perspective and respective professions and affiliations, we are one industry, we are one community, and definitely one family. And because at the end of the day, taking care of our own is not just a theme, it is a responsibility that we all share. So ladies and gentlemen, let us take a closer look at Speed's meaningful initiatives for the industry. Let's all watch this.
Biring inspirasyon at naging pamantayan ng husay para sa maraming henerasyon ng mga aktor. Sa bawat karakter na kanyang ginampanan, patuloy niyang itinulak at ipinakita ang kahalagahan ng passion, authenticity, at integrity sa pag-arte. Ladies and gentlemen, an artist whose body of work continues to redefine excellence in acting, please welcome our Eddie's movie icon, Mr. John. Sabi ko na idol eh.
Napakalaki pong karangalan at napakarami ko pong pasasalamatan kung bakit nandito po ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Unang-una po ang aking mga magulang sana ay nandito sapagkat ito po ay tribute ko sa kanila at sa aking mga ninuno na pinagmulan ng aking sining sa performing arts. Nagkataon lamang po na ang aking ama ay yumaon na noong pandemic at ang akin naman pong ina ay 93 years old na pero matatas pa pong magsalita at malinaw pa pong mag-isip pero nagkaroon siya ng problema sa kanyang tiyan kaya hindi po siya nakarating. Ang akin pong ina ay madalas na magkwento, tumula at magmemorya ng mga speech. Pasensya na lamang po kasi 1940s po siya lumaki kaya medyo yung kanyang mga speeches yung kay Abraham Lincoln, sa mga ganyan. So, nabuhay po ako, nagising sa ganung sitwasyon. Ang akin po namang ama ay mahilig pong mag-host ng mga parties sa kanilang kumpanya at mahilig pong kumanta. Pero sa nakakataka pong pagkakataon ay dalawa lang po ang gusto nilang mangyari sa akin. Gusto po nila akong either maging ihinyero or maging isang pare. Pero sabi po ng aking guidance counselor, bakit naman dyan na magpapare ka o mag-engineer ay isa kang inclined ka sa arts? Hindi ko nga po alam kung bakit. Well, hindi ako mahilig sa matematika, pero ako naman po ay consistent din na honor at saka top 10 sa eskwelahan mula elementary hanggang college. Kaya
ngayon naiintindihan ko na kung ibig sabihin ng award na to dahil matagal na pala ako dito sa industriya. Pero hindi po totoo yun. Actually, idol ko nga si Jan, yung una sa akin. Sabi ko nga, paglaki ko, gagayahin ko siya kasi napakagaling na artista. Anyway, nais ko naman pasalamat sa panguna ng Eddie's. Maraming salamat. Isa pong marangalan para sa akin ito. Siyempre po, nais ko rin pasalamatan lahat ng mga tao na nakasama ko dito sa showbiz. Actually, 13 years old lang po ako nagsimula. Pag-signal ka, hindi mo na magbasa.
Sa loob lamang ng 5 dekada, she has delivered unforgettable performances that have resonated with audiences and secured her place among the country's most respected actresses. English pa, hirap basahin. From film to television bawat karakter ay binigyan a timeless screen legend and cherished icon of Philippine cinema. Please welcome our Eddie's movie icon, Miss Rio Luxi.
Torres, hindi na ako magmamang-maangan. May antibara ko. Sa aking Panginoon at tagapagligtas na sa Hesus Kristo, maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Eddie's Award. Isa pong napakalaking karangalan ang magawaran ng ganitong pagkilala sa larangan na halos 4 na dekada ko ng kinabibilangan. To be exact daw po, 47 years. Hayaan niyo po pasalamatan ko rin ang mga taong nakilala, nakasama at nagmahal at patuloy.
This has been my second home. I thank the industry for giving me endless opportunities, invaluable lessons, lifelong friends, and unforgettable memories. This industry also taught me resilience, humility, and the importance of showing up kahit minsan parang sobrang hirap.
Ka ba? Nagulat ka?
Opo, sobra as in. Kasi parang akala ko, ang excuse niya ay may inquirer night or may event. Parang sobrang kalmado niya po ang araw. Nagulat ako. Bigla na lang nandun yung parents ko, nandun yung family ko. Doon ako naiyak. Kasi parang, ito na pala yun, yung kinamahan namin finally sa credit year.
So paano ba nagulat ka? Nakapagsalita ka ba agad? Ano yung first na pumasok sa isip mo nung he popped the question? Did you see it coming? Or it was a surprise? Inasahan mo na ba yan?
We already knew naman that this year would be the year na may engagement.
Para dito ka sa kabila, para walang dumaan. Ikaw, dito ka sa kabila.
Nakinig mo. Technical award. Nakinig ito. Sa ano? Or ano bang screenplay? Kontrabida. Okay lang. kind of happy since...
Iyahabol mo.
Iyahabol na natin.
Supporting actor. Or barbarist. Nakakatawa po. Sobrang nakakatawa ng puso.
Katayin mo si Rico Blanca. Gusto ko sa butas. Anong feeling?
Ako super happy po ako na na-share ko po with Sir Rico yung award ko.
Pag yung mga award agad, mas kinakabahan. Mas pressured ba? Or mas was inspired to do parang work harder? And...
Siguro pag mga ganito pagkakataon po, mas nakaka-inspire talaga to do more better sa craft ko. Hindi, wala naman akong kaba. Kumbaga ako nasa ano po siya. It is what it is. Ganun na lang. Kumbaga go with the flow. Whatever happens, when you plan this work.
Ang ganda ng Barboy sa mga. May party ba yung tayo ng mga tao?
Ay, watch ko po alam eh. It's easy.
But you also want to have a party?
Why not? Kasi nag-model their story po looking forward po ako meron.
We also heard you have a movie with Dennis for Metamove. Tama ba? How excited you are for that?
Super excited kasi it's my first time working with Dennis. And sobrang na-enjoy ko yung talaga.
Kay Dennis ang kasama mo. He's also a good actor.
Yes.
Will, tanong ko lang, even up to nung iniintriga pa rin kayo ni Mika, ano, kamusta? Ano talaga yung Real is Called?
Kami, we're good. Talagang na-enjoy namin yung company ng isa't isa. Sobrang naging close kami. Lalo na nung nag-lock-in kami sa Hotel 88. Kaya, ayun, talagang na-build namin yung strong foundation kung ano mangyari sa relationship.
Madalas kayo nagti-TikTok, madalas kayo nakikita. Are you willing to work with her soon sa isang pelikula?
Oo naman. Kasi talaga si Mika, very focused siya sa work niya, sa craft niya. So, gusto ko siyang makawork niya.
Dahil wala kang ka-love team ngayon, is it okay na maging magka-love team din kayo? Kung
Hindi
sakali?
ko lahat masabi, pero hindi naman ako nagka-close na.
Hindi ba kayo magkalapin dun sa bagong serye? The Delivery Boy.
Delivery Boy? Abangan po.
MMFF na Tuesday announcement na ng MMFF. Paano nasa isip mo?
Excited. Super excited. Kasi kung magkakataon, pangalawang
magkasunod.
So, excited and I'm very happy. So, fortunate.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Congratulations, Will. Winning Best Supporting Actor. Will naman ang award. Will naman ang award na.
Nagulat po. Hindi ko rin na-expect na ito yung mauuna talaga na
our makeup artist. Wala dito si Remton, our prosthetics designer also. So ito po, malaki po yung team namin ng Quezon na bumubuo ng production design. Hindi po ako iyak. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud kami sa ginawa namin. Napakahirap. And this recognition...
Nakakailang award ka na?
Grabe. Alam mo,
Wait lang po.
hindi ako umasa eh. Hindi ako umasa talaga kasi nakita niyo ba yung mga kalaban? Di ba? Asa ka pa?
Uy, hindi ah.
But alam mo, pag sa'yo talaga, kung binigay talaga sa'yo ni God. So, it is perfect timing.
Oo, you won for child number 82.
Yeah, si Sili Palaya. Child number 82, Best Supporting Actress. And then, another Best Supporting Actress.
Pang ilan mo na?
Ang second.
What?
Ano ba yan?
Kasi nga pakiramdam, actress ka na.
Wow, yung na-acknowledge ka na, actress ka na, pagkatapos ng mahabang panahon na gusto ko talagang ma-acknowledge na maging actress, dream come para sa akin. Kasi, iba yun eh. Iba yun. Kasi, ibig sabihin, hindi ka na
Hindi ka na ano, Mars?
Wala.
Alam mo yun na marami nang nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. So, sa acting, sa work na ginagawa mo. So, sobrang grateful ako pag sinasabi ko.
Tabi po lahat, tabi po dyan. Dito tayo sa kabilang
Makapakulan lang. Pawi, iwasan niyo to ha.
Ay, wala na sa minute ko po yun.
Net, akin na daw. Yung gift.
Yes po, kasama po kami. Kanina po. Okay na po, okay na po. Sige po. Yes, sir. Sir, kayo po kasama kami.
Wow. Tingnan ko. Balon. Sino kasama mo? Kumakain ba siya? Kumain ka na ba? Tapos na? Hindi pa. Tapos na siya kumain? Hindi pa. O kumain ka muna dyan. Puntahan mo ako. Samahan mo ako sa sino. That's it.
Na iniintindi niya yung trabaho ko sa corporate world at saka sa advocacies.
Grabe yung mga photos na yan. Parang yun lang po yung ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po. That's such an honor to see all of that there. But medyo nakaka-humble po kasi I can't do these things alone. So first of all, I want to thank the Eddies for this. But also, I would like to thank my team and my family who have been there with me to support me all throughout. Sobrang supportive nila to a point that they would even help me with my schedules. They would help me make sure that we were able to pull up with these things, even if it means having a lot of adjustments. So my Star Magic family is here, my ABS-CBN family, MediaWorks family, and I would also like to thank my brand partners. More than business partners, they're also like family to me, and a lot of people don't know this, but they would actually contact us if they can support without us having to ask for it, and sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun. Really, that's what it's all about. So, yeah, it's a very humbling award, honestly, and I don't know if I'm deserving of it, but I really, really appreciate it. We can't solve every problem, but we can choose to help one person, we can choose to help one community, one family, do one deed at a time. Because honestly, real change happens when people just choose to care. And I think this is a reminder that in order to make a difference, you don't need to be part of a select few. It's something every single one of us can do, every single day. So I accept this award as a reminder that serving people is not about how much you can give, how grand your contributions can be. It's honestly just caring enough to show up. And that's really enough. So, God bless. To God be the glory. Have a great night. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage multi-awarded actor and now an Eddie's movie icon, Mr. John Arcilia.
Named after the late and respected entertainment editor, Manny Pichel. Ang parangal na ito ay kumikilala sa mga miyembro ng entertainment press whose dedication, integrity, and body of work have made a lasting contribution on the profession.
Ang pagiging mamamahayag ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagbabalita. Ito rin ay tungkol sa pagbuo ng tiwala, pagpapanatili ng kredibilidad at paninindigan sa katotohanan sa bawat kwentong sinasalaysay. Television appearances, he has become one of the most respected and enduring figures in Philippine entertainment journalism.
Ang kanyang commitment sa profesyon ay nagbigay sa kanya ng tiwala at respeto ng mga artista, kapwa journalist at ng publiko. Kaya naman masasabi natin siya ay tunay na updated sa showbiz happenings. Very large. Tonight, we honor a journalist whose work continues to inform, connect, and inspire generation of viewers. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present
editors for this honor. Ang masasabi ko po na sulit na yung 49 years ko sa industry with this award. Ng integrity pagdating sa broadcast journalism. Sabi nga ng mga boss namin, kahit of course, this award is for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Wala po ako kung hindi dahil sa Kanya. He must increase, but I must decrease. So let me end this with the tag.
Our next award honors artists whose work is barely seen yet felt in every frame.
Through rhythm, pacing, and precision, they transform hours of footage into stories.
Sunshine by Benjamin Gonzalez Filipino.
Hindi ako prepared. Oh my God. Bench, congratulations. Hindi nila alam gaano ka-importante ang trabaho ng isang editor sa pagbuo ng pelikula. Kasi, nasa likod ng camera. For this night, I would like to give light kay Bench. Bench, I'm so proud of you. Nung napanood ko yung pelikulang Sunshine, hindi ako makapaniwala sa performance namin lahat dito. And I know for sure, ang laki ng tulong mo sa editor. This is for all of the editors here. And thank you.
Manila's finest named Roy Santos. Music has always been an essential part of the cinematic experience. And for the next category, we honor those beautiful works. To present the award for Best Musical Score, please welcome Best Supporting Actor for Bar Boys After School and star of the upcoming series, Delivery Boy, Will Ashley, together with Steve PRO, Janice Navida.
Music speaks a language all its own.
Minsan, hindi na kailangan ng mga salita. Music can reveal what characters cannot say. Evoke emotions word cannot express. At gawing mas tumatatak at hindi malilimutan ang bawat cinematic moment.
Sa pamamagitan ng melody, emotion, at artistry, original scores help bring stories to life. Tonight, we honor the composers whose music elevated this year's film and made them even more memorable.
The nominees Best Musical Score are Teresa.
And the Eddie's choice is Frederick Sandoval and Emerson Texon, Manila's Finest.
Conti.
Nominee for Manila's Finest.
I think it's my turn. Okay. I'll tell you when.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. You just did a great, wonderful
I'm so
performance. Just relax. All right. While a musical score underscores a film's emotional journey, an original theme song often becomes its enduring voice. It captures the spirit of a story, giving audiences a melody they carry with them long after the final scene. Your turn.
Sa pamamagitan ng musika, muling nabubuhay ang mga alaala at damdaming iniiwan ng isang pelikula. Tonight, we honor the songwriters and performers. And the Eddie's choice is...
Tala.
Sandalan, Manila's Finest.
Sandalan, Manila's Finest. Congratulations po!
Ako na po, on behalf of Manila's Finest, kung wala si Sir Benny. Thank you. Thank you po.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Best Actress.
Awards recognize artistic excellence, but there is another measure of a film's success. Its ability to resonate with audiences.
At kapag binagsa ng mga manonood ang isang pelikula, malinaw ang kanilang mensahe. Filipino stories matter at patuloy na sinusuportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Ito ang mga pelikulang minahal ng ating mga manonood.
Mother, Agency Studios, the Idea First Company and Viva Films, please welcome box office hero, Vice Ganda.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Eddie, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Eddie para sa pagbibigay sa akin muli ng parangal na ito. Isang parangal na binigay rin sa akin ng nakaraang taon. Maraming salamat po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Star Cinema, sa Viva Films, sa Idea First, kay Direk June Robles Lana, sa ABS-CBN, sa lahat ng aking mga co-actors, kay Lucas, na anak ko, na naririyan na nominated ng kanina sa Best Supporting Actor, kay Nadine Lustre, at sa lahat ng mga taga-PBB na kasama ko sa pelikulang ito. Maraming salamat. Lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng aking mga little pony, sa lahat ng madlang people na patuloy naniniwala, tumatawa sa mga hirit ko, naniniwala sa mga pelikula ko, makakapagpatawa sa kanila. At masayang-masaya po ako na noong nakaraang taon, nabigyan ulit ako ng pagkakataon na makapagbigay ng iba pang lasa bukod sa komedya sa pamamagitan ng kwentong idinirihen ni Direk June Lana. Maraming salamat din po. Sa Metro Manila Film Festival, maraming salamat dahil binigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon at ng plataforma na makapagbigay ng kwento, pangkaraniwang kwento ng mga tulad ko na nasa LGBTQIA+ community, ang kwento ng pagiging ina na hindi palagi ang napag-uusapan sa lipunan dahil ito ay hindi rin masyadong tanggap pa at hindi pangkaraniwan sa pandinig, panlasa at paningin ng marami. Kaya maraming salamat po. At inaalay ko rin itong award ko na ito, na Box Office Hero, sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa komunidad na sa ngayon ay kasama ko bilang puwersa na humahamon sa sistema na nakasanayan at pangkaraniwan. Naalay ko ito kila Paulo Ballesteros, kina Kalad Karen, kina John Lapus, kina Esnir, kina Laquidura, kila Mimia, sa lahat ng mga baklang content creators, sa lahat ng mga drag queens na ngayon ay namamayagpag din, sa lahat po ng mga bahagi ng aming komunidad na ngayon ay nagniningning at nabibigyan din ng panahon ng spotlight at ng pagkakataon upang makapagpakita ng kanilang talento sa industriyang ito. Ang parangal na ito ay para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations again, Meme Vice. For the phenomenal success of Meet, Read, and Buy by ABS-CBN Film Productions, please welcome Box Office Hero on behalf of Marcel Soriano, Melo Soriano, and George Garcia.
Go girl!
Salam mo, Meme. Hi, Meme. Thank you. Here din Meme, Star Cinema. Meme, Star Cinema.
May pinapasabi po ang tita ko. 55 years na po ako sa showbiz at sa edad kong ito, nakakataba ng puso na hanggang ngayon, nakakatanggap ako ng mga parangal na ito. Maraming salamat sa Skyler, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Meet, Greet, Buy. Maraming salamat. At syempre sa mga may diferensya, ang aking Maricelians na walang sawa sa suporta at pagmamahal, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Molino and represented this evening by Attorney Nico Antonio. Let's get
sa pamumuno po ng Society of Philippine Editors, on behalf of Ms. Kim Chu and Mr. Paulo Avellino, and of course, Direct Chad Vidanes, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
behalf of my co-actors and everybody behind Shake, Rattle, and Roll, we would like to thank Eddie's for this honor and recognition. Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng most iconic horror franchise ng Pilipinas, ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Maraming salamat kay Keith Monteverde, Rosel Monteverde, at sa lahat ng creatives, lahat ng directors na bumuo ng proyektong ito. It's a great honor. Sana po patuloy nating suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino, hindi lang tuwing Pasko, but all throughout the year. And maraming salamat din sa ating mga media, sa ating press people na patuloy at hindi nagsasawang sumuporta na ipakalat ang balita tungkol sa ating industriya. So I'm here, I'm calling out to everyone to keep supporting the Philippine movie industry, and thank you again to Eddie's at maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Best Actress nominee, Marie Sakar.
Great acting has the power to move us, challenge us, and reveal truths about the human experience. Through every performance, actors invite us into different lives, different worlds, and different journeys, allowing us to see ourselves and others in new and profound ways. Ngayong gabi, kinikilala natin ang 6 na aktor na nagbigay buhay sa mga karakter na nagpatawa, nagpaluha, at nagbigay inspirasyon sa ating lahat.
History will not remember us, but history will not happen without us.
Ding Dong Dantes. Only we know.
Mag-match na ako. Teka, match ka na.
Retired General, 65 years old.
Meron pala mga tayo mo ah.
Joshua Garcia. Me, Reed, and Bob.
Bakit ito pinipilit mo? Because it's the logical thing to do. Logical. Hindi mo na siya naiintindihan. Wala ka kasi dito.
Jericho Rosales.
You have consistently intervened with the affairs of the local government in utter disregard of the authorities of the department heads, resulting in an unfortunate incident that has shocked the entire nation.
JC Santos. Journey. Vice Sinda.
Paano ginagawa ang mga anak?
And the Eddy's choice for Best Actress, Jericho Rosales.
The ninth Eddy's choice for Best Actor received a special cash prize from Playtime Entertainment, presented by Ms. Alexandra Krishna Ulima, Miss Playtime Universe 2026, and Miss Adela May Marshall, Playtime Entertainment spokesperson.
Hello, Phoenix. My manager told me, please, no jokes. So I will stick to that. Oh my God. So this year marks my 30 years in the industry. So Eddie, thank you so much. Thank you. This is a great gift. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit nakakakanginig pag umakyat ka dito. But of course, I went here because the team is here. We got 11 nominations for Quezon. Maraming salamat. And I love each and every one here. Pong, you're my guy. You know that. When I first received the call from Gerald, I was, nasa set ako ng Lavender Fields. Kakabalik ko lang sa pag-artista. I have quit and returned and quit and returned so many times, and it's not so easy to keep coming back. So because of that, I want to thank Kuya Alan Real and my new manager, Pinky, for supporting my vision for this career. For the people that helped me, thank you. The timing, Gerald, your call. This was my most memorable film. Thank you. Thank you na nabigyan ko buhay ng cinema. Daphne, you are the mother of everything. You producers, all of you guys, you are the mothers of filmmaking. From conception, from creating the concept up to the end. I did not work for 2 months because I wanted to promote Quezon. I did not get any salary for 2 months because I wanted to promote the hell out of the movie because I believed in it. Because I believe in cinema and I believe in the Filipino film industry. I believe that this is part of our culture. I have so many things to say, so many requests for producers, for movie theater owners, for politicians, but I will say that in a different time. But I tell you this, I started dreaming because of movies. And it is when we dream that we become who we really are. We are true to ourselves. All the actors that I've worked with, I am so grateful. So, thank you. My mother's not watching this because she has Alzheimer's. And I don't know why I want to say this, but this is for you, Mama. And I love you so much. One more thing. When text messages cannot be believed anymore, for my family, when situations get so tough, I want to let you know that you guys are my greatest mission. Nag-artista ako dahil sa inyo. So maraming salamat. Love you so much. Thank you. Janine, thank you for holding my hand when they were casting that thing on my I couldn't breathe. Thank you so much. And to all the nominees, mabuhay kayong lahat. Come on. Philippine cinema is a treasure. Let's keep it burning. Let's keep it alive. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President of the
nominees for Best Actress are Best Actress, Maylene Dizon.
That is just a pink fetish of mga bored, privileged intellectuals. That is just a sophisticated form of penance for the Buddhist gift. Akala mo kabaya ka, pero actually, mas Christian pala.
Barbie Forteza, Contravida Academy.
Tubig ba to o soft drinks?
Tubig.
Crystal Cole, I'm Perfect.
Kasi piili kita.
Angelica Pangaliban, I'm Mary.
Please, ikaw!
Alam mo, minahal ka ni Pala. Oo, hindi ko alam na minahal talaga ako ni Steve.
Prince Rakai, Sunshine. Charo Santos, Only We Know.
We only get one great love and that's it.
Totoong isa lang talaga ang great love natin. Patay tayo talaga.
Bata ka pa naman. You can have a lot of great loves.
And the end of choice is the winner for Best Actress is Miss Maris Racal.
Iba pala yung feeling. I would like to first acknowledge all the amazing actresses in this category. Miss Maylene Dizon, Charo Santos, Cristel Go, so precious, Barbie Forteza, Charo Santos, at Ate Angelica Panganiban. It's such an honor to be nominated alongside all of you. Maraming salamat, Andes, for this. When I read the script, Sunshine, during the pandemic, I knew right away that it's going to be a big responsibility. Talking about abortion in this country is not going to be easy. But all of my fears and doubts faded away kasi alam kong marami akong kakampi. At marami akong kasama sa pagkwento ng story nito. This award is for Direct Tonette Hadaone. Thank you so much for creating this really beautiful story, for inspiring so many Filipinas, young women, and for believing in me that I could be sunshine. Maraming salamat, Project 8. You guys are so precious to me, Ate Ray, Ate Angel, thank you. Thank you sa cast and crew, my baby girl, Anika ko. Thank you sa aking gymnastics coach. 1 year with you, Ms. Dana Savio, and my acting coach, Sir J. Cruz. Maraming salamat. Wala ako dito kung wala kayong lahat. Sunshine is a girl who had so much promise, who had big dreams, who had such a bright future ahead of her. Pero nadapa, nagkamali. This feels so familiar to me. And I know the feeling of almost losing everything. Matatanong mo sa sarili mo kung ititigil mo na lang ba, kung burado na ba yung sarili mo. Pero hindi. Sa storya ni Sunshine, pinili niya mabuhay ang mga pangarap niya. This award is for all of the sunshine in this world. Sa lahat ng mga kababaihan at sa karapatan nating piliin ang mga sarili nating katawan. Sa lahat ng mga nandapa, bangon lang. Kung maingay man, drown out the noise and remember who you are. Thank you so much.
Please welcome Bar Boys After School cast member Feliz Malvar and actor Richard Juan.
Akin ang mini.
Bakit?
Happy, super happy sa box office.
Kanina, nagtanong kayo na ni Sir Vic, anong feeling na working with him?
Of course, excited. Super excited. Thank you. Nice to see you. Pwede makakasal yung tatay sa kawalang ayos.
Please, the honor.
Gerald Taron Quezon!
Okay. First of all, salamat sa Speed for the recognition. And basically, ang trabaho ko lang naman sa set ay mag-yes or no sa mga desisyon ng mga ibang magagaling na tao. So, ang pinaka-trabaho ko talaga is to pick the best collaborators. So, I share this award with every one of my team kasi ang gagaling yung lahat.
And the Eddie's choice for Best Picture is 2026 Eddie's winner, Best Picture is
in the industry. This is actually my very first time on stage receiving a Best Film.
And you made Quezon truly worth experiencing on the big screen. I want to thank Sir Nando and Sir Ed, who really are the true champions of cinema. Without General Luna, we wouldn't be here. I want to thank Gerald for believing in me since Sana Dati. Look at us now. Thank you, Echo, for accepting the Quezon role. I also want to thank my family and friends for their endless patience and for believing in this movie, especially to my husband for extending his patience while we're making this movie last year. Maraming salamat. You welcomed our partnerships with open arms and it really helped us tremendously. To the cinema audiences, thank you for supporting our work and for allowing us to continue making films for the big screen. This really truly means the world to us. Let us all continue to champion and tangkilikin natin ang pelikulang Pilipino sa sinehan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Supporting our storytellers and sharing their stories with future generations.
Because when we support Philippine cinema, we're also supporting our culture, our creativity, and our identity as a people.
So true. So on behalf of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, thank you to our nominees, winners, presenters, partners, members of the entertainment press, and to
Pamahal at suporta sa pelikulang Pilipino.
I am Pops Fernandez.
Ako po si Kim Atienza.
Congratulations
Once again, to all our
Yes.
winners, Good night, mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Ito, congrats.
To cap off this wonderful evening, please welcome Bossa Nova Princess Andrea Gutierrez and the Philippines' young Elvis Presley, David Young.
Congrats! Congrats!
Thank you, Okan family!
Interview.
Parang Marvel hero. Pero yun talaga gusto kong mangyari. Bata pa lang ako eh. Yeah, I don't know.
Captain Barbell?
Captain. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Eko.
Thank you, Eddies and Speed. Yeah, more power. Thank you.
Thank you, Jericho.
Yeah. Thank you.
Salamat, Jericho. Congrats.
Thank you, Ro. She's in Singapore. She's in Singapore.